Hey there. In this video I'm showing step-by-step on how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. Okay. So, without waste of time, let's start. First, open the web browser on your computer. Here type to search. Download Windows 11 ISO. Click to open this first link. Here is the page for downloading Windows 11. Move down on Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Click and select this file. Now here click on Download Now. OK. Down here click to choose the language that you would like to use. Click on Confirm. Now click on 64-bit download. The download will start. So, you have to wait until it's done. Next, go and search for Rufus. Click on the first page. Here is the page to download Rufus. Move down and click to download this software. OK. Now here you can see I already downloaded these two software. Windows 11 ISO and Rufus. But you have to make sure that you have an empty USB drive. Now open Rufus software. Here on Boot Selection, click on Select. Here is the ISO file for Windows 11. Click to select. Here select the partition scheme. For this video, I would like to use GPT. After click on Start. Here wait for the software to complete. But please don't forget to subscribe. And even click on the bell notification icon. Done. Now let me open to see my flash drive. Here you can see we have successfully created the bootable USB drive for Windows 11. So, thank you for watching. We meet in the next video. Have a nice time.